How to use Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is non-custodial multi-chain Web3 wallet. It is designed for managing cryptos and NFTs that primarily supports Solana, Ethereum and Polygon networks. In order to use the Phantom Wallet, first of all ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic Phantom Wallet application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, tap on the app icon to open it. Upon opening your Phantom Wallet, you'll be able to see Create New Wallet button in the home screen. You will need to simply tap on it and then create a strong password to secure your wallet. This password will be used only on the device where you have set it up. Also, Phantom will provide you a 12-word recovery phrase. You will need to write it down and store in a secure location. The phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access in the future. You may be also asked to confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in order. And once you have done that, you'll be able to create an account on your wallet. Once after doing that, you will land on this home page. Here, you'll be able to see different icons at the bottom of your screen. You'll be able to add funds to your wallet by depositing the tokens. To add tokens in your wallet, you can either purchase them from an exchange and withdraw them to your Phantom Wallet address, or you can also transfer tokens from another wallet. You may also tap on this receipt button in this middle row to view your wallet address of the selected token. And you'll be able to copy the address to share with others for deposits by tapping on the copy option at the right side of these tokens. Also, Phantom allows you to connect to decentralized applications, and when prompted by a decentralized application, you will need to select your Phantom as your wallet to interact with it. Also, you'll be able to create additional wallets within Phantom for different purposes. You can go and tap on the profile icon at the top left, and then here at the bottom, you'll be able to see Add or Connect Wallet option. Tap on it, and then from here, you'll be able to create additional wallet. So by following these steps, you can effectively set up and use Phantom Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.